Konnichiwa, it's Nami from Just One Cookbook. Today I want to show you how to make a delicious and simple garlic fried rice. This is one of the top requested recipe by Just One Cookbook readers, and I'm so excited I finally got the chance to share this recipe with you. It's super easy to make and you can pair it with many different dishes. Today I made simple grilled shrimp to go with the garlic fried rice. The key is to fry garlic chips to give this dish that intense garlic flavor. Now let's get started. I hope you enjoyed the garlic fried rice video. I'd love to hear what you think. So please leave a comment below. If you want to learn more Japanese recipes, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to print this recipe, click here. Thank you for watching. See you next time. またね!